Right. This is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, guys. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Like we analyzed in the morning, this actually went on downtrend, and of course, it stopped at this support zone. I said it's going to get to this region, go there, and of course, you can see it pulling back right now. So it is switching from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it is buying right now. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity at the moment. Okay, it is still buying at the moment. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. Okay, guys, this is GainX 999. Just like we have analyzed this earlier also. This actually started a downtrend right from here and a sell signal. So it sold till it got to a region like this. Okay, uh, where we also analyzed in the morning today to let you know that it's still going to sell more, and of course it is selling right now. I also dropped this signal in the Telegram channel. Those that took advantage, that are trading this signal right now, should be in big profits right now, because this has achieved some TPs already, and it is heading towards the next TP right now. Okay, so this is still selling right now, so you can take advantage of it right away. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200, and this has been on uptrend for a while. Okay, it has been on uptrend for a very long time. For days now, it has been buying and buying and buying. However, it has gotten to this resistance. It has not been able to break out from there. So it is switching from an uptrend to a downtrend right now, and it is selling right away. But you need to be very careful. Let's see if it will break out from somewhere here. Okay, if it breaks out from there, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is very much on downtrend right now, and it is selling right now. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999, and of course, just the way we are seeing this had been on downtrend for a while. Got to this support zone, wasn't able to break out from there, so it switched from a downtrend to an uptrend, and it has been buying since then. Okay, and it is still on uptrend, and we still expect it to buy more. Most especially, we expect it to get to somewhere here. Uh, right now. Okay, that should be the next destination, most especially once it breaks out from here. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is going to be more buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So we're going to be moving to the next asset, which will be the last asset for us tonight, and that is FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80, and of course, just the way we have seen this had been on uptrend, got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, and it's going back up again to see if it will achieve out this level, okay, this resistance zone. And if it should break out above it, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. But for now, it is still on uptrend and heading towards this resistance zone. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully. Whenever you are trading. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.